During my childhood days, I'm very much addicted to computer games, movie marathon, and scrolling for hours on social media. It has affected my studies, sleep, and social life as well. Now here are the top 3 things that has helped me to move away from those addiction into something more valuable for me. Number 1. Build a side project. To stop my scrolling habit, I have created 3 different side projects for myself. Each of these takes up most of my free time. I started a YouTube channel, a TikTok channel, and building a pathway for a small business in personal fitness training. Having set specific goals for each of my side projects and trying to meet the goals that I have set. Now, when we have side projects like this, set goals for a side project. It can be as simple as learning some handmade crafts and then sell them, or growing a social media page, or starting any business that you like during your free time. This side project does not hurt your main career or studies. It provides new knowledge, it provides new skills, or some even bring you money. Now, to ensure the side project grows, recording data becomes really important. Find a way to keep track on your growth. Check for analytics and learn what each and every record and data may mean for your side projects. With these data, you may be able to consider whether it is worthwhile to pursue the current side project or switch to a different one. Now here are 3 main data needed for each and every project. Number 1, is it moving towards the goal? For example, if I'm growing a YouTube channel, what I need to meet is the amount of views as well as the subscribers needed. So every video posted, I will have to see if it's improving or not and record down what works and what doesn't. The second thing to consider about data is that how much time is needed. Time tracking is very much needed. We do not want our side projects become affecting our main source of income as well as other parts of our lives. So be sure to find out what is required to meet growth, but make sure to balance and not to overdo the time. And number 3, how much money is involved. Starting a small business or side project may mean a small investment from our pocket. Set aside a small budget that you are comfortable with and for your side project. In the case of my personal training side project, what I did for a budget is enroll myself to a gym membership. That will be the starting budget that I'm comfortable with. I do not need to get everything at once. I do not need to go and get a certificate, or do I need to open up a gym or even buy gym equipment to start this project. Simply enroll myself into a gym and to experiment different types of workouts, to make friends and help them with their workout is the very start of my project. Now, number 2, working out. Exercise falls under one of my favorite lists. There is so much benefit to this. Not only can I have a good physique, but I will be more confident in my appearance and also make a good opportunity for future projects that I may consider. Now, exercising has lots of benefit. Reducing stress is one of the key benefits that I find while working out. The best part of working out is that the fitness world has so many different variety to explore. I can hit the gym and try lifting heavier weights, or I could test my own physical fitness by doing calisthenics, pull-up, muscle-ups, human flex. If I want to go for something fun, I can try parkour, boxing, Muay Thai, or any other sports I can find under the sun. It doesn't only keep me away from my phone, but it teaches me to enjoy the body parts that has been given to me already. Last but not least, learning a new skill. Now, if I'm lazy to go out for an exercise, or that I do not want to stress my mind for growing a project, sometimes growing a project can be very stressful. If we don't meet those goals, then it can be very stressful at times. So I can pick up a new skill. Now, some of the skills that I've picked up in the past is that I have learned to play the guitar, I've learned to play some basic piano skills, and learning to speak a new language. In the past, I learned to speak Cantonese, and now I'm trying to learn to speak Korean. Apart from all of this, I have also learned some cool sleight of hand, some magic tricks, and many other skills. Now, these skills have helped me to expand my knowledge and also given me more opportunities to communicate with a larger group of people. With each and every skill that I've learned, I've always taken opportunities to use it as my tool to create conversations or catching some attention, or sometimes just to light up the atmosphere of my surroundings. So, learning a new skill definitely is very helpful. It's fun as well. So learning a new skill does not only help you to have fun at the very moment, but when you use it outside, it can enlarge your social circles and give you lots of opportunities as well. I hope my top 3 favorite things provide you some value. Do comment if you have some of your favorite things that you like to do during your free time in the section below, so I can explore them as well for myself. All the best to your new adventure. And lastly, if you enjoyed this, do hit like, subscribe, and share it to your friends around you. Thank you, and see you next time.